Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to transfer from Coinbase to Etoro. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, to send from Coinbase, use the Coinbase application to send the cryptocurrency to an external wallet, and from there guys, just simply use the Etoro application to receive the cryptocurrency from the external wallet. So guys, first thing that you will do is open the eToro application and just simply sign in into your account and just simply go ahead and tap on the crypto icon at the bottom and just simply select the type of currency that you want to receive and just simply tap on receive. And from there, just simply copy the public address and paste the public address into the sender app. Or another option that you have is that the sender can scan the QR code to input the address automatically as well. So guys, remember that there may be restrictions on the amount and timing of crypto transfers. So guys, remember that if you are new to eToro, the account is required a waiting period and it will be depending on the user's eToro club level. So guys, if your account is newly created, you have to wait for some time in order for this to work. And guys, after submission, eToro will send a notification to confirm the request, and the trade line in the portfolio will display as pending transfer. So guys, remember that these requests can be cancelled until the eToro approve the transfer. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.